Claude Code was incredible at one thing: writing code fast. But here's the problem. Ask for guidance, it often implements the solution. Need explanations? You get code with brief comments. Want to learn? It solves the whole thing for you. Claude Code only knew how to be a coder. So you waste time fighting its instincts, adding "don't rewrite" to every review request, typing "explain why" over and over, or worse, switching to different tools for different needs. Classic prompt engineering fatigue. Output Styles solves this. It transforms Claude's entire approach, not adding instructions, replacing them. Instead of fighting the default behavior, you change who Claude is. So this isn't like Claude.md that adds project context, and it's not prompt engineering that fights the defaults. Output Styles changes Claude's base instructions, basically replaces Claude's core personality as a coder. And based on the style you choose, Claude Code adopts a different role and approach. Here's what this looks like in practice. Default mode builds what you ask. Complete implementation, ready to ship. Explanatory mode adds insights as it works, explaining why this pattern, what prevents that bug, perfect for understanding complex code bases. Learning mode works like pair programming, gives you structure with to-do markers where you implement the logic yourself, helping you learn instead of solving. To create custom styles, the output style new command is easiest. Claude helps you write it and automatically saves at user level for all your projects. But you can also write markdown files directly and choose where to save them, user level for everything or project level for just that repo. Either way, be specific with your instructions. Good styles need clear direction and usually some iteration. After a week of testing, here's what I learned. Default mode stays your go-to for shipping, probably 80% of the time. Explanatory is genuinely useful for understanding legacy code or weird bugs. Custom styles pay off for repetitive tasks. Think security audits, documentation, code reviews. So that's output styles. Let me know what custom role you create.